Good morning, students. We were doing chapter number 17, that is economic problem and challenges. In that, we were studying poverty and unemployment. I told you there are a number of economic challenges in India, but in this chapter, particularly, we are going to study poverty and unemployment. Now, it's a big chapter, and we had finished poverty whole section and some part of unemployment. So, we'll continue further with the unemployment. Yes. So, in the last lecture we had in this was the last point, that main reasons responsible for increasing unemployment in India. And we had seen number of reasons which are responsible for unemployment in India, like to stick to one old business, then not accepting the new technology, then there was one more point, not ready to take the risk, and all these things. So in this chapter we have studied, in this para we have studied about the reasons of unemployment, and now we'll see the efforts uh, taken by government and even by the people to reduce unemployment. Now, problems of unemployment is the weakest link of our planning. Poverty and unemployment are the two sides of the same coin. Yes, poverty and unemployment are the two sides of the same coin. Because there is a poverty, you can say no, because there is an unemployment, there is a poverty, and even it is vice versa. See, now because poverty, one might not be able to study, or one might not be able to come up in life, and because of that, that person remains unemployed. So these are, you can say, two sides of the same coin. Both are interrelated. Main reason for poverty is unemployment. Of course, main reason for poverty is unemployment. If you are ready to work and if you are not getting work, then obviously you will remain poor. This challenging problem has mainly affected educated youth. As a result, they lost attitude of interest towards studies. Negative effect of social and mental condition is seen. Yes, it really affects a youth a lot. Means a youth want to work, fine, whether it is a boy or girl. They want to work, but and they have studied a lot, but they are not getting work. They are remaining unemployed, or they are not getting work according to their caliber. So this will obviously affect their mental health. They become disappointed psychologically. If they remain unemployed for a long time, they get involved in antisocial or immoral activities, example drugs trafficking, illegal activities, robberies, recovering ransom, etc. See, now the means you can say that no one wants to become bad by their own choice. Fine. These are the situations or the conditions of life which make these people bad. Now, who would like to become a robber in life? Will you? No, no one. Thief किसी को बनना अच्छा नहीं लगता. But because of the some conditions, इतनी सारी problems होती life में, that they do not have any option, and then they just go on a wrong way. So increase in social and economic inequalities there. Class discrimination begins. Fall in living standard. When price rise joins unemployment, condition of poor and unemployed becomes more narrowing and pathetic. Of course, when price rise join unemployment, एक तो पहले से unemployed है, and then because of price rise there is more issue and more problems. So this will obviously increase um, their conditions, मतलब their bad conditions. He turns towards narcotic drugs and other addiction. Thus, unemployment has proved to be deadly by individuals, family, as well as economic. Now, you all know drugs and narcotics. Recent time ये बहुत ही अभी ये न्यूज़ में है. We all know that सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के डेथ के बाद drugs trafficking and all these things are very much in news. Now, it is not only that poor is using all these things. This is a trend now. Even rich people use this much, but they use that for fun. And for poor, it is like a addiction, or because they are not getting something, they are not achieving their goal, so they go on a wrong way, and they then come in this, you can say, what we say, स्पाइडर वेब जैसे होता है, जाल में फंस जाते हैं इसके. ओके, एडिक्शन हो जाते हैं इन सब बुरी आदतों का. सो नाउ नंबर ऑफ एफर्ट्स हैज़ बीन टेकन बाय गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारी कोशिशें करती है कि कैसे भी करके इंडिया की इतनी ज़्यादा यूथ है सबको नौकरी मिले. नाउ What are the efforts taken by government? We'll see that. See now, here are number of efforts taken by government in order to reduce the unemployment, okay, to give more and more jobs to the people. So we have studied about plans of government to remove unemployment while studying about poverty alleviation programs. Let us recall them. Now, there other than these, many effective steps have been taken by the government which are as follows. ये तो थे ही कि पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन प्रोग्राम के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने काफ़ी सारे प्रोग्राम्स बनाए थे to reduce poverty. Now we'll see further some steps taken by government in order to reduce unemployment. Now what are this? By aiming high goal, economic development of 10% per year which is acceptable to all, increasing capital investment and opportunities of employment. Now see this year matlab 2020 is the one of the worst year for everyone's life. Now ये जो 10% गोल यहाँ पे इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ 10% पर ईयर, दिस इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर दिस ईयर एट ऑल ये एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. सबको पता है हमारी इकोनॉमी डाउन नेगेटिव में जा रही है, नॉट इन इंडिया, नंबर ऑफ कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड. बट वॉट इज़ द गोल कि 10% इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट हम पर ईयर अचीव करें. न्यू फील्ड शुड बी ओपन फॉर लास्ट एंड बैलेंस economic development along with the development in agriculture sector, small and household industries, cottage industries, etc. In order to increase employment, government has started giving economic help, education, open training centers to different scheme. Yes, now government भी काफ़ी सारे स्कीम निकालती, काफ़ी सारे एम्प्लॉयमेंट देने की कोशिश के लिए ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स निकालती. आपको सबको पता हो या ना हो, आई डोंट नो, बट देर आर नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल प्रोग्राम्स जहाँ पे उनको हार्डवेयर का वर्क सिखाया जाता है, सॉफ्टवेयर का सिखाया जाता है. गर्ल्स के लिए वो टेलरिंग काम होता है, मेहंदी काम होते हैं. सो ये सब चीज़ें, वाई टू गवर्नमेंट डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन ऑर्डर टू make people self-reliant. Okay, education also plays one of the important role for eradication of poverty and unemployment. That's why government tries to educate almost every child of the country. No one should remain illiterate. Next comes, government should lay stress on the development of unit using labor intensive method for production of consumer goods. Small and cottage industries, gram udyog, handloom, handicraft skill. For it, encouraging policy should be implemented in this scheme. See now, government should lay stress on the development of using labor intensive method. We are, हमारे कंट्री में देखो ऐसा नहीं है that we don't want to get modernized. Every country always want to get modernized, with want to go run with the growing technology. That is not wrong at all. But if a technology hinders the, you can say, growth of the country, then it may be wrong somewhere. It is not that we don't want to use technology at all. But अगर एक मशीन 50 इंसान का काम कर दे, okay, then obviously there will be problem. Okay, now if a machinery works for 50%, then 50% people are remaining unemployed. हमारी कंट्री में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो काम चाहते हैं, तो वाई डोंट वी यूज़ दिस पीपल इंस्टेड ऑफ मशीनरीज. ठीक है, इससे लोगों को भी काम मिलेगा और यू कैन से दैट इट विल नॉट रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट. से मशीनरी खरीदने के लिए भी पैसे चाहिए, लोगों को सैलरी देने के लिए भी चाहिए. एवरीवन वांट्स लो, कैसे भी करके अपना बजट कम करना चाहते हैं, दैट इज़ ओके ओनली. बट इफ़ यू गो ऑन यूजिंग दिस, देन ऑब्वियसली the employment will not be get generated. Next comes, a more number of people may be employed in rural areas by less investment by developing new methods at rural level. Rural मतलब in Gujarati we say गामड़ू, okay, in which more than one crop may be taken from field in order to remove unemployment during time when farmers are not engaged in agriculture. To bring new land under cultivation, arranging water, electricity for every field, small and big irrigation scheme, check dams, ponds, canals, tube wells, activities of construction of road, activities related to agriculture, poultry, fishing, cattle rearing, dairy industry, program of afforestation. See now, what this para is telling you, that employment should be generated in rural areas. Now rural areas में कम लेस इन्वेस्टमेंट में आप एम्प्लॉयमेंट कैसे जनरेट कर सकते हो. देयर आर नंबर ऑफ फीस. See now, farmers do farming for nearly 5 to 6 months. It is not that he can do for 12 months also. But if a farmer depends on rainy season only, then he gets work just during that time period. Rest of the time he remains unemployed, and then he search of work. So if we develop such a thing that there are proper irrigation facilities, that he can take 2 to 3 crops in a year, then he will be engaged in that particular activity only, and he will not remain unemployed for the rest of the time in a year. सो दिस फॉर दिस देर आर नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. उसके लिए हमें चेक डैम्स बनाने पड़ेंगे, तो उसके लिए दूसरे लोगों को काम मिलेगा. देन कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड, तो उसके लिए दूसरे लोगों को काम मिलेगा. इफ़ वी आर डेवलपिंग, ये ना एक चेन की जैसे काम करता है. ओके, सिर्फ फार्मर को ही काम नहीं मिलता, फार्मर के पीछे कितने सारे लोगों को काम मिल रहा है. सो इन शॉर्ट, अगर एक विलेज में आप ये सब चीज़ें डेवलप करते हो, दैन एक तो विलेज सेल्फ रिलायंट हो जाएगा, काफ़ी सारे लोगों को काम मिलेगा, एंड देर विल बी लेस माइग्रेशन. लोग वो शहर की तरफ कम जाएंगे. इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग एवरीथिंग इन अ स्मॉल विलेज, वाई यू विल विश टू गो फॉर इन अ सिटी. ओके, so that villagers get enough income and working in their own village only. So migration towards cities may be reduced and pressure on demand of employment may be decreased. Yes, लोग सिटी की तरफ क्यों जाते हैं? एक तो मॉडर्न लाइफ के लिए, सेकेंड उनको ऐसा सोच के कि विल गेट बेटर जॉब ओवर देयर, वी विल अर्न मोर. बट if you're getting everything in your own village, you will not wish to go to city. At least 8 out of 10 people will not wish to go to city. Encouraging plantation agriculture, organic farming, dry farming, multi-cropping, growing vegetables and fruits, importance should be given to improvement of quality of education in village. Yes, quality of education in village. Now, this all things, organic farming, dry farming, multi-cropping, these all things we have studied in chapter number 10, the types of farming. Okay, so एजुकेशन भी विलेज में बढ़े, सब फैसिलिटीज़ उनको मिले. दैट इज़ अ मेन गोल, ड्यू टू विच number of people will get employment, and they will not migrate towards city. Fourth comes, in order to sustain human development in rural areas, health, education, pure drinking water, nutritious food, electricity, roads, banking, insurance, internet, improvement in communication and entertainment, water harvesting activities, construction of permanent public property, development of local industries, and encouraging them. Adopting employment oriented programs should be undertaken. Qualitative life of rural people. See now, qualitative life of rural people as well as result oriented improvement has been the main objective. Now, just if as I told you, it is not just to stop people from migrating. It is just that a rural person should also get a quality life. उसको एक ऐसी लाइफ मिले कि वो शहर में जाने का सोचे ही नहीं, और गांव में वो अपना बहुत ही अच्छे से ऐसे अपनी लाइफ निकाल सके. यू नो द कंट्री नेम सर्बिया. Okay, once I was seeing one program, and in that I saw that nearly 70% of the population of Serbia stays in village. Okay, they don't migrate to cities because their villages are very developed villages. They are very happy in their villages, so they don't migrate. So even this can happen in India also. No need to run towards cities if you get everything in your own village. Next comes, in order to decrease educated unemployment among youth, skills should be developed and employment should be provided as per the qualification. Such type of business oriented or technical education policies should be adopted which produce skilled artisan. ऐसी पॉलिसी बनाओ कि हमारे कंट्री में स्किल आर्टिसन मिले, सिर्फ पढ़ाई करने से कोई यूज़ नहीं है. If you are good plumber, then you can get work. If you are good tailor, you can get work. So artisan बनाना मतलब that should be आर्टिस्ट की जो हम क्वालिटी बोलते हैं वो होनी चाहिए. सिर्फ पढ़ाई का मतलब बुक्स नहीं होता है, नेवर. Okay, curriculum of school and college should be such that it satisfies the requirement of local industries. Such type of effort should be made by providing education and training to youth. Special skills may be developed in them. Quality improves along with the production, employment increase in income, and improvement in living standard. They should be given assurance that they keep on getting employment. उनको ऐसे assurance देनी चाहिए कि उनको काम मिलता ही रहेगा. So actually there are 9 points in this. we are doing right now up to 5 points, and we'll continue further in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.